Learn Welsh shopping. How much does cost equals?
Faint mae fe'n costio?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Imagine you at a lively market, cheese wheels on your left, dragon plushies on your right. You grin, rub your fingers like money, and confidently ask.
Faint mae fe'n costio?
Nice, budget hero unlocked. Your goal today. By the end of this episode, Duke can ask prices like a pro and spot a bargain without breaking a sweat. Core phrase. How much does cost equals?
Faint mae fe'n costio?
Breakdown.
Faint
Equals how much.
mae yn
Equals is ing structure.
costio?
Equals to cost. Add the item in the dots, the hat.
Faint mae'r het yn costio?
The sandwich.
Faint mae'r brechdan yn costio?
Money words you'll hear.
Pris,
Price.
drud,
Expensive.
rhad,
Cheap.
arian,
Money.
talu,
To pay.
derbyneb.
Receipt. Market mini dialogue. Let's act it out. You at the stall, big smile, friendly vibes. You.
Faint mae'r het yn costio?
Vendor. It's £10. The
Pris,
is on the tag. You. Oof, that's a bit.
drud,
Any chance it's
rhad.
today? You.
Oes gostyngiad?
Is there a discount? Vendor. For you, yes, a little. You. Great, I'll.
Talu,
Now, here's my.
arian.
Vendor. Thank you, here's your.
Derbyneb.
You.
Diolch.
Sheep passing by. Bargain. Pronunciation beat. Clap along and groove the phrase into your brain. Say it slowly.
Faint mae fe'n costio?
Medium speed.
Faint mae fe'n costio?
Rhythm drill.
Faint mae fe'n costio?
Clap clap. Call and response. Your turn.
Faint mae fe'n costio?
Quick quiz. Answer fast. Trust your ear and your wallet. Q1. How do you say, how much does cost in Welsh? A.
Faint mae fe'n costio?
Q2. Which word means price? A.
Pris,
Q3. Which one is expensive? A.
drud,
Q4. Completed.
faint mae'r siocled yn?
A.
Costio.
Q5. You want the receipt. What word do you look for? A.
Derbyneb.
Culture tip. Eisteddfod vibes. Do loves festivals? Perfect. At the bustling Eisteddfod stalls, a cheerful.
Faint mae fe'n costio?
Opens doors and sometimes discounts. Be polite, smile, and if it feels.
Drud.
Ask kindly about a deal.
Oes gostyngiad?
Your curiosity equals better.
Pris,
Challenge mode. Ready to level up? Let's get playful. Task 1. Ask for 3 items fast.
faint mae'r coffi yn costio? Faint mae'r caws yn costio? Faint mae'r crys yn costio?
Quote. Task 2. Follow-up line for savings.
Oes gostyngiad?
Quote. Task 3. Evaluate the answer. If it's high, say, that's.
Drud.
If it's low, say, nice.
Rhad.
Exclamation mark quote. Task 4. Close the deal. All.
Talu.
By card, can I get a?
Derbyneb.
Question mark quote. Goodbye and next steps. You did it, high five. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Faint mae yn costio?
This week and try it at a real stall. For more lessons, printables, and videos, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and may your bargains be.
Rhad.
And your budgets happy.